let's learn how to play Angels We Have Heard on High on the ukulele in the key of C. And I'm going to be giving you the chord view. We're going to go over all the chords in this song, and then I'll break it down. I'll give you some tips on how to play it, what are the challenging parts, what are the easy parts, etc., and get you started playing this popular holiday song. And if it's during the holidays and you'd like to participate in our Ukulele Holiday Challenge, I'll tell you how you can do that too. Links are below. So let's look at the song. The first couple chords, pretty easy, just C and G. We're going to use G because G7 would not be appropriate for this particular song. But let's look at how this one goes. You're just starting off with C. Angels we have, and then G, G, C. So the first four lines are the same. C, 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 G, C, 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 G, C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let's go to the chorus right there. This is the trickier part, and it just gets trickier the deeper you go into the chorus. But let's look at the chords you're going to need. First of all, you're going to need C, A7, D minor, G, and F. Those are all the chords you need to play the chorus. The chorus is going to have 2 beats per chord in the first part. C, C, A, D minor, G, C, F, G. Let's do that part again. First part of the chorus. 2, 3, go. C, C, A7, D minor, G, C, F, G. Okay, and that's the same both times. And then the second half of the first half of the chorus repeats the same thing twice basically, but it's a little different each time. The first time, C, G, C, F, C, G. In excelsis Deo. So the first 4 chords are 1 beat each. C, D, D, D. And then we have 2 chords each. D, D. So C, G, C, F, C, G. So let's do the whole first part of the chorus, starting with Gloria. Here we go. 2, ready, go. C, A7, D minor, G, C, F, G. Get ready. C, G, C, F, C, G. Let's go on. C, A7, D minor, G, C, F, G, C, G, C, F, C, G, C. And that's really the only difference. The end of the second chorus, you go back to C for a couple bars. And then we start over with the second verse, Shepherds, Why This Jubilee? Okay, so that's really everything you need to know to play the song. Now, what are the tricky parts? What do you need to do to get better at playing the song? So you've got the chords. Most of these chords are pretty easy. These are, novice, intermediate level chords. Nothing tricky. Most ukulele players know these chords after a few weeks of practice. The thing that you're going to need to do is slow it down, especially to get that chorus. The first part's super easy, right? But what I like about this song is it has both. It has easy verse and then the chorus, and that's where all the words are in the verse. The chorus has a couple words, not too many words, lots of chords. It should be called the chorus. No. So what I recommend is drilling the chorus so that you repeat it over and over and over at a slow tempo, one at which you can play the chord sequence successfully on time, on the beat. So use a metronome or something, or just go slowly and play that, especially the second part. And just do that over and over to develop some muscle memory, because just like you needed muscle memory to develop the chords in the first place, this song, you need a little bit of muscle memory and, memory muscle to get that chorus, because you're not going to be able to think there. It has to be a little automatic. So I would focus on the chorus, maybe just work on that first, and get that so it kind of falls under your hand, under your fingers really easily. It's almost automatic. That would be my recommendation to get this song. The rest of the song, pretty easy. It's a classic song. Have fun with it. I'm sure there's other lyrics and more verses that you could add if you want. If you'd like to connect with me more and get the song sheet and the play-along track that I did a play-along in another video, it's just a play-along. But if you'd like to get those, you can do that at patreon.com/Kalani. That's our community support website. You can also, if it's during the holidays and you want to enter our ukulele holiday challenge, you can click the link below to find out how to do that, maybe win an ukulele. Whatever you do, make sure you subscribe before you click away. Hit the bell so you get notifications. I do appreciate the support and the involvement. So if you have any helpful tips, you have any comments you'd like to leave that are helpful for people, leave them below. If you have questions for me, the best way to contact me is through the Patreon site. You can also email me through kalanimusic.com. All right, I hope this is great. Go out and make some great music. Enjoy playing your ukulele, and we'll see you in some other videos. Thanks for watching.